All right, guys, so I'm rebuilding this spare steering box, and I got it all cleaned up, new grease. But the wheel that engages against the worm inside the box seems to have play in it, side to side. I don't know if I can. So it has more than 5 thousandths. And I think that's too much. So my question to you gurus is, do I punch the pin out and trying to find a 5 thousandths shim? Do I just put it on the vise here and just whack it with a big hammer, trying to squeeze the ears in, or just leave it that way? I really want to rebuild this box. With the supply shortage, these are like unobtainium now, and they're asking crazy money for them. I want to have a spare. So, yep, thought I'd ask for your opinion. Thanks, guys.